And let's ma 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 da da. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Happy freaking Friday. Today is May 14th. Bitcoin trading at $51,309, finding a little bit of support or buyback pressure here, as we've talked about, looking at this 45K level would be indicative of that was our last daily support, and it looks like BTC at some point, some God forbidden reason, decided to hold. So got some buyback pressure. Looking for what that means in the market. Probably more room up to go. Massive, massive gains for staking coins here. Looking at Matic, which is absolute monster. Monster. I mean, last week we were looking at Matic. It was not even. Let's look at a weekly candle here. Look at this weekly. Look. Oh my gosh. 3 weeks ago, we were at 30 cents. Absolute monster. Now we're at $1.30. Stakes for 17%. How are you not making money in the crypto markets? Hi, my name's Elliot. Welcome to Crypto World News. Do this Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 12 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, live on Twitch. Thanks for being here. And if you have any questions, cryptocurrency, blockchain, or whatever, let me know. Let us know. We're here 24/7. I got a life, a little bit of one, but there's, drop a question, leave the stream open, and we'll get to you as soon as possible. Or join the Discord, ! Discord. There's a chat in there, and I'll answer all of you guys. I'll freaking talk to you personally. I don't care. We've got a little bit of cryptocurrency altcoin movement happening. Looking at Ethereum all-time high breakouts to the ETH to BTC chart. That's what we're going to talk about next. Here's this 4-hour more room up to go. Basically, is what this is. What this chart is printing. It looks like 4 hours not going to give us a whole lot of information. We go back to a weekly. Weekly says not a whole lot. Monthly gives us this beautiful monthly level, able to kind of break out right in this zone. A small little bit of resistance, but I think the major resistance lies here. Major resistance lies here with these weekly candle close, about 0.084. 0.082 is maybe 4 to 5% higher than where we're at right now. So a break above that zone would really excite me, but this just looks like ETH to BTC continuation, so I could expect higher for that. Take a look at Dogecoin here. What is Dogecoin doing? Dogecoin doesn't even know what Dogecoin's doing. Do you guys know what Dogecoin? What is Dogecoin? I hate Saturday Night Live. That shit was awful. Please look at TLM when you get a chance. Would really appreciate it. Would you buy Doge now? TLM, would you buy Dogecoin? The current price, $2. So it's just me reading today, homie. So I apologize if I'm a little slow getting to your questions. But would I buy Dogecoin now? Yeah, I'd buy Dogecoin now. This looks like this was a Dogecoin buy. We were talking about 25 to 35 cents. The market kind of does what the market wants to do. I could see this play, if not similar play, for the BTC market. Say this was 41K, right? People are expecting 28K, 27K. Just bear with me just for 1 second here. Bear with me. Let's pretend that's 41K. This was the BTC chart. Here, I'm about to show you. Likely scenario, BTC continues down 41K. So would be like, not really even testing these levels. That's kind of what Dogecoin's printing to me. Dogecoin is printing that it does not want to go lower. That was pretty much as low as it wants to go. This weekly looks like a huge, beautiful buyback, even though it looks like a penis. What is this buyback? Okay. 19 cents to 50 cents. Beautiful buyback. Doge probably going to continue to send it. Look at this 4-hour candle. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Holding of support. Nice buy pressure. I just see further continuation up. The 4-hour candle, no chill, no stop. If you sold your Doge, I don't know why. It doesn't really matter how hard I try to show you to not sell your coins for lower than before we're at kind of expected levels. If you sold your Doge at $1, I'd be like, okay, well, that makes sense. $1 or $1.50. That makes sense to me. But if you sold your Doge based off of a 50% move downwards, unless you bought at 60 or 70 cents, which is FOMO, which is just trading with emotions. So, yeah, I think Dogecoin looks good here. Dogecoin to the moon. Other coins that look good here, Zilliqa looks pretty good. Zilliqa to BTC. Give all these coins an opportunity to run. This coin's currently 20% stakes for like 15, 17%. I'm not exactly sure. Cryptocurrency market cap $2.39 trillion. 24-hour trading volume up from yesterday, 244 billion. BTC down 40.4% dominance. ETH up 20.2%. Probably going to see that continue. Biggest 24-hour mover, Polygon, Matic. We saw that up $1.47. Wow. Dogecoin right behind it with Hedger Hashgraph. Biggest losers today would be Cardano, which is is that a big loser today? No, that doesn't even make sense. Nano's down 12%. Cardano's at $1.91. Cardano's a huge winner, going to continue to perform really well. Congrats to all of you Cardano holders and you believers out there. I just want to believe. Matic soaking up some of the market cap here. This is why we've been talking about altcoins are going to perform really, really well in 2021. The market cap's going to increase and continue to boom. And as that does, and as the money flows in and out of Bitcoin, in and out of Ethereum, Cardano, whatever, whatnot, there's opportunities for these coins that have little to no value to significantly increase in value. Obviously, that opportunity increases as the total amount of money in the market being flown around increases as well. So that's why, Matic is up from 3 weeks ago at 30 cents to $1.30 now. That's why SafeMoon has one fucking octillion coins and is still going to make people money. Fear Greed Index. So we got a little bit of fear in the market. That is nice. We haven't seen this really happen in quite some time, I would say. Typically, we would look for extreme fear in the market as opportune moments to buy, opportune entries. Fear does tell us that it is a good time, but extreme fear tells us it is the best time, historically speaking. So now, yes, is a good time to buy Bitcoin. Is it the best time to buy Bitcoin? No. When is the best time to buy Bitcoin? Well, more fear in the market. Basically, anywhere below 41K, I would say, is an opportune time to buy Bitcoin. That would cause mass fear, mass panic, but it's honestly needed. Look, we started from freaking, look, 3,700. We started from freaking 3,700, and we haven't stopped. What's that angle? 9 degrees. It's a little... But, $3,700, $40K, 41K right there. Came back a little bit to 29K, but that's... Elon Musk talking about show strength. Is 54 too high to buy? What's the expected levels? 54K or 54 cents is not too high to buy Doge. Dogecoin is easily going to smack the dollar target. Buying right here, right now is emotional, but it's not bad. It's not a bad idea. Looking at this 4-hour chart, 4-hour target, I would tell you, could this go lower? Absolutely. Will this go lower? I doubt it. Why? We held some very huge levels. We are we have shown that we are kind of counter. The chart looks different from this is the Doge chart, this is the Bitcoin chart. Let's go back. Dogecoin. Bitcoin. Monthly. Let's get a clearer chart. Monthly. Bitcoin monthly. Dogecoin monthly. Four-hour. Yeah, so I think Bitcoin will probably. I'm not saying that it's going to send it here. I was expecting it to come down lower, it to break the 45K. The fact that it didn't is, I guess, could be a sign that we're going to go back and test some higher levels. Are we printing a lower high? I don't know. I mean, a higher low? I do not know. SME GMARS. Okay, what did you... TLM. Someone suggested TLM. TLM tethers to Bitcoin. Let's see. Alright, TLM to Bitcoin on Binance here. Came out April 2021. So we've got a TLM to tether. Nope. Pretty much the same chart. About 40 cents here. Not really much chart data, much to go off of. Probably going to continue or follow whatever it's going to follow whatever the other, whatever the market's doing. I don't see this being anything like Doge is looking like right now. It could. We could say that there is some sort of, sideways channel of resistance, and once we break out of like 50 cents, it'll probably continue to send it into price discovery territory. But I don't think that technically I can call that just because of how new this chart is. I'm looking at a 4-hour. The daily, this daily doesn't really give me anything. We closed higher, we came back. I mean, maybe it's a good buy on a daily chart. Weekly chart. It doesn't tell me. I don't have enough information here. I do not have enough information. Wow, look at Ethereum. Wow. Going to continue to send it here. Got a little bit of resistance. Not going to be a problem, though. We will look for higher levels for ETH targets, ETH longs. Congratulations, Ethereum holders. Hodlers. Beefy.finance is looking pretty juicy. Pretty juicy, I would say. This coin right here, been looking. I've been waiting. Because I find stuff that other people aren't talking about. And opportunities. Like this coin was $3 grand. And it stakes for over 150% auto passive. Auto generating. So if you bought one coin in 1 year, you would have 2 coins. In 2 years, you would have 4 coins. What's the price going to be in 4 years? I don't know, probably like 10 plus grand. Passive generation is the way to go. Hi, my name is Elliot, and welcome to the show. Hey. Big news coming for TLM. What do you think Doge roof will be? How long will you hold it for? I think Doge will probably find a nice, probably be some easy, quick profit taking at $1, but we'll probably see a nice continuation move after that. So I think that Doge is probably, what's the ceiling for Doge? That's like saying, what do you think the ceiling is for the total cryptocurrency market cap? Like, what, $100 trillion maybe? I don't know. It's definitely more than $2.4 trillion. At the beginning of this year, we were at $300 billion. So I don't know what the ceiling is. We have literally no ceiling to the amount of fiat currency we can print. So, no ceiling. but there is a finite supply of Bitcoin. Before the world stops accepting fiat money and US dollar, they should just print as much US dollar as they can and use it to buy Bitcoin. Reserve backed on finite currency or deflationary assets. Wow, that's such a great store of value. Can you imagine if that money that your grandfather worked for actually was worth something today? You might actually be wealthy. Is there any questions in the Twitch chat? Crypto World News and chat. What is this stock? Thanks for looking. Okay, this is XBT. So this is Bitcoin. Basically, we're looking at, this is a derivative of Bitcoin. XBT is just what BitMEX uses as the derivative on their exchange. I like to use BitMEX because it has a lot of volume. There's a lot of leverage traders, so they can trade with more money than they actually have. So you're able to find levels and look at things a little bit more clearly, I believe. So that's why I like to look at the XBT chart sometimes. It's just Bitcoin, basically, though. Here, we can look at another Bitcoin chart here. Right at a level, baby. Right at a level. But we'll pop it. We'll probably pop it and come back and retest. If you guys wanted to target, this would be an easy long ski to 55.7. Easy 5K money. Could I say easy send it right now? Yes, I could say. 4 hours probably just opened. Yep. This is going to be the... we already had the resistance break. This looks beautiful. I would say this would probably be an easy long ski. I'm going to get some more water because I'm out of water. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the chat. We can look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, gold, silver, both look great. Oil, fuck Joe Biden, whatever. And Camilla, that bitch. No, I'm just kidding. Not about Bitcoin. Bitcoin's gonna send it. XRP's gonna send it. Wow. Didn't see that. What else is gonna send it? Thanks for your help, bro. Hey, no problem. Oh, wait, oh. That's what I'm here for. Alright. What are you guys here for? You guys heard about Shibcoin? Buy some Shibcoin. Crypto.com. It's a shitcoin that we are gonna send to the moon, boys. Gonna send Shibcoin to the moon. What are we looking at here? Is this a bear flag? Nope. This looks like a bull flag to me. I mean, you could say... yeah, I think this looks like a bull flag. We'll see what happens, though, folks. But yeah, so if you're new to cryptocurrency, you have cryptocurrency. You know how surprised I am about the amount of people who have like millions of dollars of cryptocurrency and who are, gosh, ignorant is not the right word. That is not the word I want to say. They are maybe too blinded they're like very happy with how much money they've made in the cryptocurrency market, but they don't have the ability to like listen to other people or gain another perspective on, like, let's say, how to passively generate on your assets. So like shit. Um, let's say you had a fucking $1 million in Ethereum. That's right, right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's right. Just after 1 year, so 240 ETH, if you earned and sell tokens, about $5 grand a month. Like, it just it blows my mind. It blows my mind. Just blows my mind. So, yeah, let's say you got money, you should be passively generating on those assets. And if you don't know how to do that, just ask me. And I have a lot of knowledge about how to do that, different ways to do that. There's different. BTC is going to send it. Where will SHIB end up? Let's take a look at SHIB, homie. SHIB is one of those coins that has not fully had the opportunity to decide where it's going to end up. Right? We were about 156, whatever, to Tether. Then we went to 3,400 in very brief period of time, 6th of May to the 10th of May. In about 4 days, we went from 150 to 3,400. Looks like SHIB will probably continue higher. Where that is, there's no way, there's no flipping way, folks. I have no way of determining it. Here's what I say. Bet on the future market cap increase and bet on other people wanting to buy this coin. That's it. There's no way for me to predict where it'll go. Okay, so let's see if we could. If we somehow magically fucking could do a fucking fib. Magically. Fucking magically doing a magical fib. That's a 3x right there. Yo, homie, I'm in the middle of my show. Can I call you back later? Alright, bye. Alright, my bad. Yeah, you guys have any questions? So up here, that would be 1,400. That's about a 10 plus X. And you'll be able to stake these coins if I'm not mistaken. If I'm not mistaken. Mistaken. Yeah. What site is this? What are we talking about? Celsius? There's a link right below the stream, homie. Celsius. Okay, I don't have it. But just click on this link right here, and then it'll bring you to the website that I was just talking about. That's where you can passively generate on like your Matic and stuff like that. I also use Atomic Wallet for like band staking and Zilliqa staking. Zilliqa is a great coin. We can look at some other platforms if you want to. I love Beefy. I love me some Beefy. Look at these rates. Holy fuck. Oh, this is only 34.22k APY. Yeah, just a small 1.98 mil APY. That's 0.27% ROI daily. But look, the TVL is only 170K. That's going to fucking change. But look at these. Let's see if we find a good one with like a nice TVL. This is nice. BLZD to BUSD uses Pancake. 1.12% daily. Nice. Freaking nice. You know how much that is? Do you know? Space, swamp, banana, kebab, stem, nut. I mean, even 0.5% ROI daily is huge. 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 Most of these are like, God. What website are you on now? I'm on beefy.finance, homie. It's a decentralized financial platform where you use like MetaMask and web wallets to deposit funds into like liquidity pools, and then use those liquidity pool tokens to passively generate through smart contracts. All right, let's take a look at. There's no way that we can predict where SHIB's going. We're just buying and holding. BTC is going to continue up here on the 4-hour. Says there are higher levels of resistance to be tested. Support has been gained. I think we found support temporarily. You know, wherever. It's like we didn't even quite get to break this level. Look at this 4-hour. Yeah. I still think the move is down, but probably going to go up first and retest some higher levels, maybe 55K comeback, and then continue down lower. Looking at the Fear Greed Index, fear is a good time to buy. Need a little bit more extreme fear, and the market is the best time. Bro, the website we are now looking at for those statistics I'm seeing right now, haha, it's beefy.finance, homie. The statistics? Are you talking about crypto bubbles? This is the Fear Greed Index website. There's the crypto bubbles, and then beefy.finance is where we were looking at the. We went here, and then we clicked on Launch App, and this is where it's giving us these rates. Crypto.com. It's going to be a brief show today, unless you guys need anything. It's Friday. It's going to be in and out, short and sweet, bangity boom. We'll wrap it up here with some closing thoughts. If there's nothing else you guys want to talk about, BTC on the 4-hour looking like it's still going to continue higher. Like we said, probably going to be a good weekend. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll see you guys on Monday, unless there's anything else. Nope. Bueller. Leaving thoughts. I want to be the very best Bitcoin trader that there ever was. And trading sats is my real test. And to stake them is my cause. I have bought across all exchanges, searching far and wide. The lowest fees, I can't decide. The staker will provide. Bitcoin mine, gonna stake them all. You stake me and I'll stake you. So for a newbie in crypto, Earning. What's that about? For a newbie in crypto, earning. What's that about? So basically, for a newbie in crypto, your goal should be to accumulate as many staking coins as you can. So I don't feel the need or your attention span to get into what proof of work and what proof of stake are. You can look that up in your own time. Basically, you have first generation blockchain technology like Bitcoin, which uses the proof of work consensus algorithm to form its consensus network. Proof of stake, which is like second generation blockchain technology, which doesn't require, hardware. It just takes coins that are sent to validators, which, validate the network, validate transactions in the network. So it doesn't actually require that physical mining power, but you're able to passively generate on your coins. So by accumulating as many staking coins as you can, you are essentially setting yourself up for success because you're passively generating money while you sleep. And the money that you're generating is in coins, so it's not in dollar value. So if you bought 10,000 Dogecoins that were staking at, 50%, you'd be earning 50,000 or whatever, 5,000 Dogecoins the first year, regardless of the price of Dogecoin. So there's staking, and then you can earn interest on some of your crypto as well. Like Celsius, the platform that I have below the stream. If you want to earn interest on like your Bitcoin, there's BlockFi as well. Ethereum. There's a whole bunch of coins. Atomic Wallet allows you to stake. I stake on there for Band, Zilliqa, Tezos, Cardano. Passively generate money while you sleep. Yeah, so I hope you learned something. I hope you come back. I hope you have friends who are like interested in cryptocurrency, and now you can go teach them or, be like, look at all this information I found. You can passively generate on your money with liquidity mining, which is basically using your liquid digital assets to earn more money, more digital assets, which is like, passively the most lucrative financial tool. There's nothing else like it in existence right now. Very, very exciting. Okay. Thank you for all your help, bro. No problem. Thanks for coming out, guys. I see some new faces, and that's good. I don't want to see, maybe I do want to see the same people, but ideally, if you can learn what you need to learn and then go, then like teach other people or let them know, that's my hope. So I appreciate you guys being here. You are allowing me to let my dream come true, which is like help other people. So hopefully you've gotten something out of this. I know that I feel like I did. I feel like I helped some people today. We try and do this as much as possible and try and help as many people as possible. So I do appreciate your support. We'll be back on Monday. Before we go, let's take a last look at Ethereum to Bitcoin. Going to continue to send it. Going to fucking send her, boys. Okay. That's it for me. Stay safe this weekend. I don't know what you're doing, but if you're drinking, don't drive, and if you're driving, don't drink. So, yeah. Stakers are going to be the winners. So, yeah, you should, if you're new to cryptocurrency, my best advice is to accumulate as many staking coins, and ideally the ones that have the highest return. So there's a coin currently called Zilliqa. For whoever the new homie is that says, I'm a new homie and I want to get into cryptocurrency, your first coin you're going to buy is going to be called Zilliqa. You buy Zilliqa on whichever platform you want to buy Zilliqa on. You can use, if you need help with like getting into a decentralized exchange, or if you're one of your platforms, like Binance has Zilliqa. So basically buy this coin and then download Atomic Wallet app. Move your coins there, and then there's a button that says stake, and you stake them. This is about 19 cents right now for this coin. So buy some Zilliqa, stake some Zilliqa, and that will be your step one. Welcome to crypto. Come back on Monday, 12 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we will give you step two. Thanks, guys. Peace. I like to forward.